Ukraine bought weapons, drones with crypto donations. The war-torn nation also revealed it bought non-lethal equipment in a new report detailing its expenditures from crypto donations. Ukraine's government bought weapons, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, better known as drones, and digital rifle scopes, besides non-lethal tools, with some of the $60 million in crypto donated after Russia invaded the European nation earlier this year, an official revealed in a new breakdown of expenditures. Mikhailo Fedorov, Ukraine's Minister for Digital Transformation, tweeted the breakdown on Wednesday, which revealed the government had used some of the $54 million worth of funds raised via crypto to purchase lethal weapons and launch an English news platform. Another $6 million has yet to be spent. Ukraine's donation website acknowledges the drone and lethal weapon purchases, although the displayed figures differ from Fedorov's calculation. "We, the digital ministry, converted crypto and sent it to our defense ministry. They decided that they need something, lethal weapons. We are at war and we can defend ourselves with every mean possible," Bornyakov said on being asked about the earlier statement that they would only buy non-lethal weapons through crypto donations. Russia invaded Ukraine in February, prompting the country to launch multiple donation drives in an effort to beef up its defenses and equipment using crypto in an unprecedented way. The breakdown also confirmed what government officials had previously told CoinDesk about using crypto donations to buy drones, medical kits for soldiers and thermal imagers. Bornyakov told CoinDesk that more than $5 million spent on weapons requested by the follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.